Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The k-nearest neighbors, KNN, algorithm is a simple and effective classification technique used in machine learning. This tutorial will walk you through implementing the KNN algorithm in Java, using a simple example with a dataset. Overview of KNN. KNN is a non-parametric, instance-based learning algorithm. It classifies a data point based on how its neighbors are classified. The value of k determines how many neighbors will be considered when making the classification decision. Steps to implement KNN. 1. Prepare your dataset. We'll use a simple 2D dataset for this example. 2. Calculate the distance. Use a distance metric, example Euclidean distance, to find the nearest neighbors. 3. Classify. Determine the class of the new data point based on the majority class among its k nearest neighbors. Example dataset. Let's use a simple dataset of points in 2 dimensions. x1 x2 class. Dash 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 dash. 1.0 2.0 a. 2.0 3.0 a. 3.0 3.0 b. 6.0 5.0 b. 7.0 8.0 b. Java implementation. Here's a simple implementation of the KNN algorithm in Java. Step 1. Create a data point class. Step 2. Create the KNN class. Step 3. Using the KNN class. Now, let's create a main method to use the KNN class and classify a new data point. Explanation of the code. Data point class represents a point in the dataset with coordinates x1, x2, and its class label. KNN class contains the main logic for the KNN algorithm. It computes distances to all training points, sorts them, and finds the majority class among the k nearest neighbors. Distance class, a helper class to hold a data point and its corresponding distance. KNN example class demonstrates how to use the KNN class to classify a new point. Conclusion. This Java implementation of the KNN algorithm should give you a solid understanding of how to build a simple classifier. You can extend this implementation by adding features like distance weighting, handling ties, or optimizing the data structure for faster searches using spatial trees, like KD trees.